Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you love tech and useful tips, hit subscribe. Let's jump in.
An M3U file, short for Moving Picture Experts Group Audio Layer 3 Uniform Resource Locator, is essentially a plaintext playlist file that stores paths or URLs to various media files, allowing media players to locate and play a sequence of audio or video content. When you aim to convert an M3U file to a URL, it's crucial to understand what this typically entails. An M3U file itself contains URLs or local file paths to media resources. The conversion process usually means extracting these existing URLs from within the M3U file, or, in more complex scenarios, understanding how to make local content referenced in an M3U accessible via a public URL, which involves hosting. Let's break down the most common and straightforward approach: extracting existing URLs. The simplest method involves treating your M3U file as what it fundamentally is, a plain text document. You can open any M3U file with a standard text editor like Notepad on Windows, TextEdit on Mac OS, or any code editor such as VS Code or Sublime Text. Once opened, you'll see a list of entries, each typically on its own line. These entries will either be direct URLs, beginning with http:// or https:// or local file paths, pointing to files on your computer's hard drive. Your task is to identify and copy these URLs. This manual extraction is incredibly effective for smaller M3U files or when you only need a few specific links. However, for larger files containing hundreds or thousands of entries, manual copying becomes impractical. For such cases, several online M3U parsers or converters exist. Websites designed for this purpose allow you to upload your M3U file or paste its content directly, and they will then parse the file, presenting you with a clean list of extracted URLs. While convenient, always exercise caution when using third-party online tools, especially with M3U files that might contain sensitive information or links you prefer not to share. Verify the reputation of the website and understand their privacy policy before uploading any file. For those with a bit of technical comfort, scripting offers a powerful and secure way to extract URLs. Languages like Python are excellent for this task. A simple Python script can open the M3U file, read it line by line, check if each line starts with http:// or https:// and then print or save these identified URLs to a new file. This method provides maximum control and is ideal for automating the extraction process for multiple M3U files or very large ones. Now, a critical distinction. What if your M3U file contains local file paths instead of public URLs? For instance, an entry like c:/users/yourname/music/song MP3 single quote cannot be directly converted into a public URL. A local path points to a file on your specific computer. To make this content accessible via a URL, you would need to host that media file on a web server or a cloud storage service, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or a dedicated web host, and then share its public link. The M3U file itself doesn't perform this hosting. It merely points to where the media is. Therefore, if your M3U has local paths, the conversion involves uploading the actual media files to a publicly accessible server and then manually or programmatically updating your M3U or creating a new one with these new public URLs. Always double-check the extracted URLs for validity, as M3U files can sometimes contain outdated or broken links. Ensuring the media is accessible at the URL is a separate step from merely extracting the text. Understanding the distinction between merely extracting existing URLs and making local content publicly available is key to successfully working with M3U files. This process empowers you to manage your media playlists more effectively, share specific streams, or integrate them into other applications. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips.